The word impossible has dropped in use by 50% over the last 100 years. The way an individual treats the employees at an establishment tells immensely about their character. If you have a song stuck in your head, one of the best ways to get it out of your head is to chew gum, according to study. We would like to break more laws if one law is too strict. You seem to think more about a specific individual than about catastrophic events. Men aren't more entertaining than women. They only make more jokes, they don't care whether others like their humor or not. Our minds are working on making boring speeches more exciting. The broken heart condition is also called stress cardiomyopathy, which could lead to critical, short-term heart muscle dysfunction. A scientist named Thomas H. Morgan discovered that chromosomes had inherited knowledge. Women have half as many pain receptors on their bodies as males, but they have a much greater threshold for pain. If we have a plan B, our plan A is less likely to succeed. It is also found that staying optimistic about the future can powerfully shield people from physical and mental illness. The starting and the ending are easier to recall than the middle ones. People seem to be happy when they're kept busy, as this keeps them from worrying about bad problems in life. People who view crime shows and films have consistently overestimated the frequency of crime in the real world. Your reliance on social media is the product of your psychological system. Convincing yourself that you slept well tricks your brain into believing you did. Human behavioral studies indicate that a person who loses mobile phone experiences a fear comparable to a near-death experience. The sort of music you listen to influences the way you view the world. Romantic desire is biochemically indistinguishable from serious obsessive-compulsive disorder. Phobias may be memories which are passed down through many ancestors by means of our DNA, according to new studies. If someone is always in your mind, it only means two things. You love this person very much, or you hate him. The average high school student now has the same level of anxiety as compared to the average psychiatric ward inmate in the early 1950s. A hug longer than 20 seconds will produce hormones into your body that makes you trust the individual who is hugging you. Happiness, rage, sorrow, anxiety, disgust, and surprise are the 6 feelings that are uniformly conveyed. People are franker because they're emotionally drained. That's why people mention things in late-night talks. Chocolate discharges the chemical oxytocin, which is the same chemical your body produces when you're happy. Exercise slows the neurological deterioration in our brains, and increased physical exercise will delay our brains aging by 10 years. You'll feel happier spending your money on others than on yourself.